Did you know that YouTube is not just a platform for entertainment, but also a gateway to building your own online empire, pulling in a solid $10,000 per month per channel? Today, I'm not just giving you information, I'm giving you the motivation and inspiration you need. I'm going to unveil the top 10 most profitable and successful niches. Watch this video through because by the time we're done, you'll discover the best niche backed up with real examples of channels ranking in over $70,000 every single month. Hey there, it's Mike Ross, and you're on the channel where we break down the most effective and lucrative strategies for making money on YouTube. I've built 9 successful YouTube channels, each bringing in over $100,000 every month. I've been through the starting phase, the doubts, the fears, and I'm ready to share all of my knowledge with you so you can experience and level up your own YouTube channel or build a successful business from a dozen channels like mine and start making real money online with YouTube. I've developed a unique method, and I'll tell you more about it at the end of the video. But for now, don't waste any time. Subscribe to my channel to be the first to learn about the most profitable strategies for earning on YouTube. All right, it's time for our explosive ranking.
Kaboom!
From profitable niches to hyper profitable ones. Thanks to these YouTube niches, you can quickly reach a steady income of $10,000 a month. And with my strategy, you can increase your earnings, automate processes, and build an online business. 10th place, education history. Represented by its history. This channel reveals extraordinary historical facts, showcasing outstanding architectural structures, unique transportation, or unusual communication methods. Visuals mostly consist of stock footage. I'll tell you where to get those later. Archival materials, photos, videos, newspaper clippings. Occasionally, the channel's host appears, but honestly, it's not that necessary. Now, the crucial part. Let's find out how much the channel makes. Pro tip, use vidIQ to check channel statistics. So, the channel gets around 2.7 million views. You divide this number by 1,000, since YouTube pays per 1,000 views, and then multiply it by the CTR, which is typically between $1 and $30 for this niche. Some niches have higher advertising rates, especially those related to technology, innovations, investments, and businesses. The CTR for this niche is around $4. Divide 2.7 million by 1,000 and then multiply by $4. It's $10,800. But let's double check with Social Blade.
Let's find out.
Copy the channel URL into this bar, and according to Social Blade, the channel earns up to $10,600 a month. Bingo, 10K. And that is our 10th place. But wait, there's about 9 more niches ahead. Way more profitable. Keep watching. And now is the perfect time to hit that like button on this video. After all, I'm sharing super valuable info that not many people disclose. Awesome. Now let's move on to the 9th place, the niche 360 channels, represented by Brightside VR 360 videos. The channel features animated videos using 360-degree technology. To create this content, you can find artists on Upwork. It's a small investment that can bring you around 4 million views per month and profits up to $15,800. Not bad in my opinion.
Not bad at all.
8th place goes to the travel countdown niche. The channel has over 1 million subscribers, and the content is about a list of different places compiled based on various criteria. The video is straightforward, consisting of stock and map images. You can easily get these stocks from free resources. Edit the video using the free program DaVinci, which you can download from the official website. Record the text on your smartphone to start, and tools like Canva, Snappa, or PaintNet will help us create a beautiful and vibrant cover. That's it. Now viewers will flock to your channel on their own.
What kind of dark magic is this?
The channel gathers over 5.5 million views per month, making approximately $20,800 per month. Remember, you don't have to spend money on content creation. The key is to enjoy the niche and create content with pleasure. Then it'll be easier. You'll make your content faster and your channel will become successful more swiftly. 7th place in our top is the business stories niche. I recommend checking out the Magnets Media channel. They usually talk about the history of major corporations and how they developed, with a touch of drama for audience engagement. It's pretty interesting content, even without the host's personal involvement. The monthly views reach around 5.5 million, resulting in around $21,400. So how much would you like to earn on your channel? Drop the answers in the comments down below.
Drop it now.
It's going to be interesting to see all of the variety. All right, let's move on to the 6th spot, Charisma. The channel Charisma on Command creates content on how to grab attention, be confident, and gain trust. This channel ranks around $21,500 a month, pulling in a traffic from over 5 million visitors. Next up, number 5, the sports niche. The channel Nonstop in this category has over 6 million views and brings in around $23,000 in monthly revenue. The content covers various sports, mainly focusing on football and basketball. At the 4th spot, we have the luxury niche. I bet everyone dreams of a big yacht or a grand estate, and that's precisely what the channel King Luxury talks about. Clearly, viewers love to dream about a luxurious home and a splendid yacht. You can make excellent money just fulfilling these dreams. The channel gathers around 9 million views per month, earning about $35,000. And guess what? We're just at the 4th spot. Can you imagine what's coming next? I strongly believe that a YouTube channel is an excellent business. You can start it with minimal knowledge and skills without significant investments. In just 6 weeks, you can achieve a stable income in tens of thousands of dollars. Now, here's another cool secret. Use affiliate programs. It's a partnership with companies where you sell their products and they pay you a portion of the company's profit for promotion. Sometimes your commission percentage can go up to 50%. To explore this additional income option more, I recommend checking out collaboration opportunities like with the Amazon platform. Thanks to these programs, you can increase your earnings 5, 10, or even more times. So let's dive into our 3 most successful and high income niches.
Let's just dive right in.
Taking the 3rd place is the education engineering niche, with a fantastic representative like the B1M. This channel showcases videos about megastructures, gigantic skyscrapers, and simply incredible engineering projects. It gets around 9.5 million views and earns around $37,000. Great results. In the 2nd place is the geography niche, represented by the Real Life Lore channel. This channel releases videos about different countries and backstories, like why South and North America aren't connected by a road. This channel attracts around 15 million views monthly, bringing in a profit of about $59,000. And now, the spotlight. The 1st place in our ranking goes to the education piano niche and the channel FACELESS with 1.43 million subscribers. If we visit the channel, we'll see that all the videos are tutorials on how to play various musical pieces on the piano. To create such videos, you'll need the Synthesia software, where you can create animated piano playing lessons just like on FACELESS. Now, let's check the stats. Wow, an overwhelming number of views, almost 19 million. Amazing. Now let's look at Social Blade. So the channel's monthly earnings are around $73,000. Earning that much on a single channel is terrific. I'm even a bit envious. $73,000, that's a masterpiece of a result.
It is. It truly is.
You see how easy it is? That's why I believe YouTube is the best source for making money online. With my many years of experience on YouTube, I understand this 100%. Many people are afraid of YouTube, feeling less confident here than they'd like to. Questions pop up at every step and doubts start creeping in, like, I don't know anything, I don't understand, or I can't do this.
I just can't.
Of course, to reach your goal, you need a certain knowledge base and a strategy. That's why I've developed the YouTube automation system, where channels work for you and bring in passive income, making you a millionaire. Now, you don't need to spend a ton of time searching for scattered information on YouTube. You don't need to figure out what works and what doesn't. I've gathered everything you need to guide you step by step from channel creation to earning $10,000 or even $100,000 a month. This course is designed for those who don't have a channel yet and are just starting their YouTube journey, as well as for those who already have a channel but don't know how to start earning or how to increase their income. You know what to do. Click the link in the description right now, leave your contact information, and start your YouTube money hackers journey with me. I'll be waiting for you. Wishing you an easy and profitable start. This was Mike Ross. Have fantastic YouTube Hackers days. Peace out.